Hi guys, so today we're going to try out one of the new sets that Diamond Press brought to their site. So these are available on mydiamondpress.com. They were sent initially, free of charge for my review and to show you guys the new items. And of course, all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. And with Diamond Press, that is actually an affiliate code. It is a discount code, so VCDP, and they have increased the discount from 10% to 15% during this launch period here. So, that will expire April 11th at midnight Eastern. So I'll have all that info in the description box if you guys want to check that out. And yeah, so today I'm going to try out the pop-out dies and stamps flowers, is what it says here. Really simple. I went through these when I showed you guys the different items. And all you're going to do is just, pop this cute little whichever die you like in this, on a piece of paper. And then you're going to have a background piece that has a little like scallop edge. And then you can stamp and do whatever you want with your sentiment here. And there's some words, friend, amazing, beautiful, you, and then a lot of stamps that go along with that, simply beautiful, simply amazing, you are, amazing, thinking of, and you, or however you want to mix and match. And then there's also sentiments in here that are complete sentiments already, like you make me smile, each day is a new start, friends are flowers that never fade, so things like that. So really sweet, really bold, some of these. Like these big guys here. And I measured these initially in the first video, but I'll do that again. I believe they are 3-inch squares, yep. And then the scallop is just a little bit larger than that. And then really nice lettering here. So what I'm going to do is I already brought out some paper because this is very easy. I think it's going to come together really quickly. So I have a standard A2 size card base, just a white card base. And you can build right off of that, but I'm going to have a little matte layer that I like to do. So 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then I have this matte layer I already cut is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, just to put it right inside, and I don't know, just something nice, a little extra layer. I'm going to stamp on this, so otherwise maybe you want to do some embossing, run through an embossing folder or something like that to have that pop too, but there's that. I'll put those to the side for now. And then I have some purple. I think I'm going to make my flower purple. So I have a dark purple and like a lighter purple. And it's up to you which one you want in the background or on top, because basically all we're going to do is, again, put our little die, then bring out our little flower pieces, the petals, and we'll talk about that pop out when we get there, but I kind of went over it with when I had shown all the different items. And then we're going to attach it to that background piece, like a little tile, and, do whatever you like. So that's what we're going for. There are 2 instruction sheets, and there's inspo on the second sheet, and then just kind of finishing up how you might want to layer some of those sentiments together. So let's see. They're also pretty. I don't know which one I want to use. I'm kind of gearing towards this one. So let's go with that. So this dark purple I'm going to cut with the outer die, and then the lighter purple I'm going to cut, oh sorry guys, with this guy. So I'm just going to run these through the marquee, and of course it also comes with a cutting folder, which I showed initially, but I just have the items sitting here now. And honestly, you can probably run these both together at the same time if you have the elongated cutting folders, and it's that much faster, right, your card. So I will run these through. I am probably going to cut out one of the sentiments and do some stamping, but for now I'm just going to run these 2 guys through, and I'll be right back. So I have that first piece cut. I have all the card layers here. I think this would be really fun to just do a whole bunch of them, have them ready to go like little note cards, And then, if you want to paper piece these pieces back in and not pop them up, you can play with this however you like, but that's going to go on there. So pretty and sweet. And then we're going to pop up these pieces. Let me clean up just a little bit and I'll be right back. So in the instructions, they're showing you on this portion to go ahead and just pop these guys up. Really sweet. And then glue that down and then add it to your card base. Now I want to do some stamping first, but I'm not exactly sure where the stamping should go. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and glue this down so I know where that is. And then I'm going to stamp my sentiment and then add in my die cut words. So that's what I'm going to do. Instead of putting it all together and having the dimension then going to stamp, it wouldn't work out so well for me. So I'm going to put this down. And just kind of center it up towards the top. I guess I can put my paper straight here. something like that. And while that's setting up, I'm going to stamp. Let me see if I have hello and then friend. So let's do hello, and I'm going to stamp it in black ink, I believe. And then maybe on the friend we'll do some gold paper, because you know I love bringing in that gold paper. And so I'll just put this guy on here. Oh, you know what? This is a big stamp, so actually I'm going to put this up here. And give myself some room down here. And I'm going to bring this up a little bit higher, and then that way friend, where did I put my friend die? Kind of gives me an idea about how deep I would like it to be, to overlap and be cute. So I think that's good right there. And I'm just eyeballing that, but of course if you're using a precision press or stamping press, you can kind of use your guides to help you see if you're straight. And I'm going to use some VersaFine ink, which does take a second to set up, but I do like this for sentiments. And again, these are acrylic stamps, so I'm just going to give it some firm, even pressure, but not like push down super hard. And I missed a little bit on the H, so I'm just going to do it one more time. And just, again, even pressure, making sure I'm getting that top corner of the H there. It's because that stamp magnet's there. There we go. Oh, so cute. Okay, so before I wrap it all up, I'm just going to run this through some gold paper and I'll be right back. So I'm going to bring my card base back and I'm just going to glue this down flat, but of course you can pop that up. We're always looking for dimension, texture, all those things. You could run this through an embossing folder and then place your little tile on top. Really sweet. Some people will stamp on something that's embossed also, so you can definitely try doing that. I would definitely use a precision press though, because you're going to have to stamp it a couple times for that texture, or stamp it and then run it through an embossing folder. That's another look. Whatever you like, of course. And so I'm going to go ahead and finish popping these little guys up. And I'm just giving them a slight little push. And look at that. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of this. And I think you can probably make this into a shaker too. I'm just putting some glue down in here, but if you were to make it a shaker, just cut a 3-inch square of acetate and attach it here, and then put your foam, you know, around the edges. And that'd be really cute. And I'll put a little bit of something in the center there. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to see where I'm placing this nice and straight as I can. Oh, a little bit higher up. And I'll wait for that to set up. So cute. Okay, I'm going to hold this down and I'll be right back. Guys, that is really sweet, you know? What a sweet thing. And of course you can put it in your envelope, you just kind of flatten it out, put it in your envelope. Ready to go. And then here's my little word friend in gold, nice and stark there. So I'm just going to put some glue on the back of my hand and dip this into it, making sure I get glue every little area. And I'll see, where do I want to put this? You know, you can also put it like right in the center, which is really cute. I just want to overlap a little bit with the words here. Yeah, it looks cute. Simple card, so sweet with that focal point there. I mean, just adorable. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks Dime Press for sending these items for review and for having that additional discount for you guys again until April 11th at midnight 2022. Hopefully I said the right year. I've been known to say 2020 even though we're 2 years from then. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.